Hello, welcome everyone. This is about to show here. We actually start about to go through something. We can start to realize on what it should be really about to go with certain situation that is really about to go with um, going on to be having something like to app to select the object when you want to mirror it. So for example, I would like to go with a small this one. Okay, so we can take this one for example, and then about to start with select the image or select the object and open the flip tools and choose a flip horizontal or vertical. So maybe we can start to right click and then okay, so we can start to go over here or maybe throw the tools on the button flip horizontal, okay, flip vertical. If you see the flip vertical flip is really the mirror of it. We can such as adjust the position if after flipping, and that is really how it works. Or maybe you can start to go for a certain plugin and make a mirror of what you want, and that is all about.